How to use Google Gemini better than 99% of people, beginner to pro. Google Gemini has access to things that other AI assistants don't, and that is real time Google search, your Gmail and Google Calendar when authorized, Google Docs and Drive, Google Map, and deep integration with Google's ecosystem that makes it uniquely powerful for specific tasks. Now, most people use Gemini like a basic chatbot and miss all of this. This tutorial is going to show you how to use Gemini at its ceiling, the techniques that put you in the top 1% of users. Now, before the techniques, understand what makes Gemini different from Claude and GPT. So, first and foremost, we are going to have real-time Google search integration. Gemini can search the web in real time when answering any sort of questions. You don't need to ask it to. It does it when the information might be outdated or when current data is needed. Now, this means that Gemini gives more current answers than models with fixed training cutoffs. Literally, I can go ahead and ask, what was the weather 2 days ago in Washington or in Montana? Okay, so you simply go ahead and write that. And obviously it searches the web. And look at that. 2 days ago was Tuesday. The weather across Montana was generally clear and pleasant, featuring cool morning conditions followed by warm, sunny afternoons. So there you go. You have a whole breakdown. Why? Because of real-time Google search integration. Then we have Google Workspace integration. So you can get the integrations on the free plan. For this, you're going to want to get a more beefier plan. Okay, so basically the Google Workspace integration comes with Gemini Advanced and appropriate permission. Now, Gemini can read your Gmail, access your Google Calendar, read your Google Docs and Drive files, and even interact with Google Maps data. Now, this ecosystem integration enables workflows no other AI can replicate. It has multi-model capability where Gemini Ultra and the Gemini models powering Google products are natively multi-model, and they can literally analyze images, PDFs, spreadsheets, and other document types along with the text. And of course, if you go ahead and study the other plans, you can also go ahead and get the Google One AI Premium, which is the paid tier for everything. And it gives you Gemini Advanced, which is the most capable model, plus 2 terabytes of Google storage and integration with all Google Workspace apps. That's the cool part about it. Now, first of all, let's actually leverage Gemini's real-time search capability. Now, Gemini's real-time search is its most underused capability. Most users are going to treat it like a static knowledge base and ask questions that would benefit from current information without realizing that Gemini can and does look things up. Now, you can be explicit when you want current information. You can literally search for something like search for latest news about, let's say, FIFA World Cup rigging, and give me a summary of what's happened in the last week. Okay, you can go through with that, and as you can see, it simply starts searching through the web, and once it does, there you go. So recent reports surrounding potential match fixing and rigging allocations at the 2026 FIFA World Cup has been significantly scrutiny, and look at that. So it goes on and on. Or you can even go with something like, what are the current best practices for said topic as of today. Search for recent sources, explicitly referencing today, current, latest, or recent. So basically, just like this, you can research anything from any time, from anywhere. It may be recent, it may be 500 years ago. Gemini will, of course, give you the most accurate and correct answer. And the reason for that is because it is literally taking its answers from one of the most knowledgeable and most used search engine in the world. Now, moving on, of course, there's connecting Gemini to your Google account at gemini.google.com under the extension setting. So usually you can find extensions here, but in the case you don't, you can come over to your settings sections over here. And in your settings sections over here, what you can do is you can get yourself some different types of extensions and different types of connections. It depends on you on how you want to connect them to each other. So usually what happens is you're going to want to make sure that the account you are using is on the upper plan, because in the case you are not on the upgraded plan, you will not get the option to extend. But usually you're going to get the extension setting where you're going to enable your email and Google Calendar access. Now, with your Gmail connected, you can literally ask it what emails are waiting for my response. Gemini searches your whole inbox and identifies email requiring replies. You can summarize your email conversations with a specific user from that past month, and Gemini is going to read the thread history and provide a summary. You can draft a reply to the most recent email from, specific contact, accepting, their meeting invitation. And Gemini reads the email and drafts an appropriate reply. Of course, with Calendar connected, what meetings do I have next week and who are the attendees? You can go through all of it and work with it. Now, the combination of Gmail plus calendar analysis enables productivity workflows, so no other AI assistant can match for Google Workspace users. Now, another thing that you can do is after you've connected your Google Drive, you can literally go ahead and do a Google Docs analysis. So if you're an avid Google Docs user, or if you're a business guy with, a highly use of Google Docs, then trust me, this can work pretty well for you. You can ask Google Drive or you can ask Gemini to read the document, let's say Q3 with marking strategy in my drive and identify the 3 most significant gaps in the analysis, or summarize all documents in my research folder and identify common themes, or maybe compare the current version of a specific document with the points that we have discussed in the email thread, stuff like that. And you can work along and work around it pretty easily as you go on. So, Gemini is an absolute gem of a device to have. It makes life so much simpler, so much easier, but only if you know how to use it properly. Gemini ceiling is significantly higher than most users discover, because the most powerful features like integration, real-time search, deep research require configuration and explicit use. Now, the beginner version of Gemini and the advanced version are almost different tools. So connect your Google Workspace, create gems for your recurring contexts, use deep research for substantial research tasks, and leverage the multi-model document analysis for reading and summarizing long docs. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.